Dave Postill, a senior vice president at AGI, talked me through the history of their company and the tech they're excited about looking forward.
So AGI started about 25 years ago. We built out around portable handling, permanent handling, storage bins. And as we saw the market change, we realized that growers more and more need better information to make better decisions. So how can we make our equipment smart? The first place it led it to was grain monitoring, bin monitoring. We started a product in Canada and then expanded here in the US with the addition of the bin manager line. This we thought was a home run. Immediately, it became successful. And then we began to go, well, in what other ways can we provide information and connect a broader theme of monitoring to AGI? So we do bin monitoring. Then we moved into Farm Mobile, which provides machine monitoring, field level monitoring. And we also had a line of equipment under the CMC brand that did hazard monitoring. So same sort of thing. In elevators, longer temperature only cables, as well as bearing and belt sensors that detect temperature and avoid risks. So all really under the brand of better information makes for safer, more profitable operations.
All right. We continue to see farmers focusing on digital technology, bringing that onto their operation. From AGI's perspective, what about that trend is most encouraging? What would you like to see continued the most?
Well, honestly, I am most inspired by the fact that a lot of it comes from a safety perspective. How do we make farming safer? You know, there's often three generations, you know, grandpa, me, the 50-year-old, my kids, we're all climbing grain bins. Farming is a dangerous business. There's technology now that reduces that. Maybe doesn't take it all away, but reduces that. So that for me is the most exciting thing. The other sort of equally or close second for me is the way farms have become more sophisticated. Farmers run very complicated operations. They're making decisions about cost, about hedging their varied crop, you know? So I think we're at a really exciting point. So we'll continue. If you think of the basic elements, safety, visibility, remote control, now we have EMC curves to help drive automation in the grain bin. Imagine what comes next with AI, right? And we're on the cusp of some really exciting things that will, you know, we can do a lot with science now, science backed by an AI model. Wow, wait till you see what happens. And then we continue to connect what's happened in the field with what's happened in the bin, and we start to build out a whole sustainability, traceability plan. I think the future is incredibly exciting.
Thanks to Dave Postill for giving us that update on AGI's company history. And folks, stick with us. We'll have more This Week in Agribusiness when we come back.